Hello kids, this is video number 2 of exercise 4.1 question 2. A 500 meters race need to be completed in 1.5 minutes. Shreya finishes the race well in time. Rohan covers only 416 meters. How many meters is Rohan short of completing the race? Dear kids, here Shreya and Rohan have to complete 500-meter race in 1.5 minutes. But Shreya finishes the race well in time. It means Shreya completed the race. But Rohan covers only 416 meters. So how many meters is Rohan short to completing the race? मतलब रोहन को भी कितने मीटर्स बाकी बच्चे रेस कंप्लीट करने के लिए? दिस इज टू बी फाइंड, right? Kids, here this question is a word problem kind of questions, so we will start with the statements and we will do the operation. Kids, here I have used word operation. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever is to be done in the question, it is called operation, right? So let us start with the statement. The distance to be completed is equal to 500 meters. Statement number 2. Rohan covers 416 meters. So, right? After this statement, we will leave one line for this subtraction and we will write third statement. The distance left to cover is equal to question mark. This is to be find, na? Right? Now, here we will label ones, tens and 100. Total distance to be covered, it was 500, but Rohan covers only 416. So how many meters are left? So to find that, we will do the subtraction. Start from the ones place. Here the digit in the ones place is 0. So we will borrow from tens place, but in the tens place also there is digit 0. That's why we will borrow from the 100 place. 100 place digit 5. If we are borrowing 1 from the 100 place, it become 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, na? Right? Now here 1 we have borrow matlab 100, right? Now here it will be 9, and here on the ones place will be 10. Now 10 minus 6 is possible, so we will do 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 1 8, and 4 minus 4 0, right? So our answer is 84. What 84? Meters, because here we are talking about meters. Distance can be covered in a meter or kilometer, so here we are using meters. So 84 meters. And last statement we will write like this: the distance left to cover is equal to 84 meters. Now next question number 3. Mrs. Joshi has arranged a picnic for all society members. 578 members come for the picnic. She orders biscuits, sweets and chips for the members. Now this hint you are given. With the help of that, what is to be found? Question 3a. There is 389 packets of biscuit in a carton. How many more packets are needed if each member has to given one packet? Now students, we will write statements. Statement number 1. Number of people or number of society members are 578. And number of packets of biscuits is equal to 389, right? And after this statement we will leave 2 lines for this subtraction. We will do here only, that's why we will leave the space. Next statement, number of more packets are needed is equal to question mark. This is question mark because this thing is to be find, that's why we are putting question mark here, right? Now here also ones, tens and 100 places are labeled, right? Now 8 minus 9, it is not possible, so we will borrow from the tens place. Here tens place digit is 7. If we are borrowing 1 from 7, so we will cut 7 and we will write 6, right? Now this 10 we will borrow for ones place, so 8 become 18, so 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Now here 6 is there, 6 minus 8, again it is not possible, so 1 we are borrowing from the 100 place, and 100 place digit 5 we are borrowing 1, so it will become 4, and this 6 become 16. Now 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, and 4 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Our answer is 189. What number of packets of biscuits? So last statement will be like this: number of more packets are needed is equal to 189. Now question number 3b. There are 800 pieces of sweets in a box. Will there be any extra sweets if one piece is given to each member? Children, here we know that the number of people or number of society members are 578, but as in the question you are given number of pieces of sweets is equal to 800. So what is to be find? Number of pieces of extra sweets is equal to question mark, right? Question mark. Why? Because these things we will find. Now 800 is a bigger number, so we will write up, and 578 is a smaller number, it is a subtrahend, we will write down, and we will do the subtraction from the ones place. So ones place digit is 0, for that we will 0, so 0 minus 8 not possible, so we will borrow from tens place. Here also 0, so we will borrow from 100 place. 100 place digit is 8, so 8 will be cut. We are borrowing 1 from the 8, it will be 7, because 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 now, right? 7 is on 100 place, means 700, right? So here it will be 9, and digit on the ones place will become 10. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So our answer is 222. Pieces of sweets are extra. Now question 4. How much should be subtracted from 974 to get 778? Means वो कौन सा नंबर है जिसमें से हम लोग 974 वो कौन सा नंबर है जिसको हम लोग 974 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो आंसर मिलेगा 778. For that we will write like this: 974 is a bigger number, means it's a minuend, we will write up, minus 778 is a smaller number, we will write below, and it is subtrahend. Now by the simple subtraction our final answer will be 196 is a difference, right? Now our subtraction is right or wrong. How we will verify? So in a previous questions we have learned how to verify our subtraction, right? Here we will add subtrahend and difference. Dear kids, we know that we have a formula: minuend is equal to subtrahend plus difference, means the smaller number and the answer, means difference we will add, and it should be a minuend, so our subtraction will be right. Just have a look how we will find. So minuend 974 is equal to 778 plus 196. Dear students, if you want to add the numbers by arranging in a columns, you can add like that, but here I am not arranging, and horizontally I am adding. So 1 place digit 8 plus 6 14, so 4 will down, 1 will be carried over to the tens place, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus this tens place digit 9. 17, 7 will down, 1 will be carried over to the 100 place. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 9. So digit in the 100 place is 9. So our answer is 974, and it was actually our minuend, as you can see here, right? Means both the numbers are equal or both the numbers are same, so our subtraction is right. Means the 196 is the number is to be subtracted from 778. I hope everything is clear. If you are having doubt, feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.